The life of reggae girl TaraniaClarke, taken during a dispute over a cell phone.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Jamaican football fraternity and the Backbush community in Mountain View has been plunged into mourning following the stabbing death of national representative 20-year-old TaraniaClarke, affectionately called Plum Plum.
It's just in nature, or you never see her and she saw this laugh, she always a laugh, she like a laugh. And she be loved by everybody in the community and out of our community. She's a people person.
Clarke was killed on Thursday night, October 31st, during a dispute with another female in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew. Reports from the Halfway Tree police are that about 8:50 p.m., the women, said to be acquaintances, had a dispute over a cell phone. During the altercation, a knife was brandished and used to stab Clarke. She was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. The other female has been taken into police custody. Unconfirmed reports are that the female suspect had given the phone to Clarke as a gift, but confronted her on Thursday night and demanded that Clarke returned the phone. Clarke was the captain of the Waterhouse football team in the local Women's Premier League and last represented Jamaica in the Caribbean leg of the Olympic qualifiers in October. The defender was also a part of the national senior reggae girls team in the build-up to the World Cup and later as part of the team in Peru at the Pan Am Games. She also represented the nation at the under 15, under 17 and under 20 levels. The promising young defender was reportedly in line to take up a scholarship at Daytona University in Florida in January of 2020.
There is nothing nobody can do to give him back this little girl.
Clarke also lost her brother not too long ago after he was gunned down in the Mountain View community.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.